I'm Martin and this is my 1984 Jeep Caravan which I bought back in April of 2023, and the challenge for the next couple of months will be to turn it into an off-grid camper. This is going to be one hell of an experience full of many downs and lows, costly repairs and many trials and errors. Make sure you follow my journey while transforming this caravan into my dream tiny home on wheels. So, one thing first, few videos ago I showed you this box that I purchased online in order to mount on the front of the caravan. Well, so the issue with the previous box was that unfortunately it was not designed to be mounted like I was going to mount it in front of the caravan on the hitch, because when you open the lid and when you close the lid, there was a gap, and obviously all of the rain and all of the water that goes on top would get inside eventually. And I had a few discussions with my dad, and he told me that that's not a good idea to soak the gas bottle with water, although there will be some holes on the box eventually, so if there is any gas leaks to escape from the top or from the bottom. So I had to purchase a new one. Let's see how it is actually. Okay. Definitely looks way more premium than the previous one. You know what, actually let's go and put it on, and it should look like this. Yeah, well, it's definitely, from what I can see, it definitely has this more premium outside look. Also, these locks and handles are obviously metal, and here we have the keys. There isn't any brand of this, it's unbranded. I think it's made in Turkey like the previous one is, but this is way more premium. So you have these locks. Obviously here you use the keys to lock these locks, and when you open it like this, there is plenty of space. So the total size of the box is 80, I think, by 45, and it's 50 centimeters tall. And yeah, there is plenty of space to fit the gas bottle, the diesel tank, and obviously way more, probably some tools and etc. But the best thing is, if you can see here, is that when you close it, this lip here, obviously all of the water that is going to leak, it will stream down outside the box instead of going like the other one was, open it somewhere from here. And but this one it fits perfectly well. Actually the real world test will be when I mount it and when there is some rain to test it all out. That was the one thing. The other thing that I bought was, it's a minor thing, but I'm definitely, and I'm really convinced that it will make my life way more easier. My cable management and the extended cords that I'm using, cables and whatever, it's pretty bad here. Here is the main and actually the only socket that I have, which goes to here, which charge my phone and my headphones right now, which goes to here, and this one goes to there. And yeah, it's pretty messy, so that's why I pretty much bought this. And it's essentially a housing, with outlets. This build was more than I anticipated and took way more time than it used to be, and I'm pretty sure that I won't be finishing it in the next couple of months. So at least I have to think of a better solution for my cable management. So yeah, as I told you, this one is the thing. So you have 4 outlets, European outlets, and here I have to take it apart obviously and put the cord. So that is for today's agenda. The other thing is that I've planned was to reseal these. I mean, I'm not sure if you can see them, but all around the caravan I've painted with brown paint because I had only that color of paint, to reseal them with this type of salami, I called it, silicone, because it looks like these salams or anyway. Yeah, so yeah, I have to wrap around the whole caravan. And also the other thing is to bring back the stabilizers, because on the front, because of the mounting of the new metal piece, I actually removed the stabilizers, which you can see them here on the back, here this one, and obviously there are 4 on each side, and the front 2 I've removed them. So yeah, I have to remount the stabilizers here and there, and obviously refill this, and yeah, I mean, let's stop talking and let's start working. This must be one of the most disgusting things I've done so far over the caravan. And the most fun part is, I don't know even if it would have any positive effect. This must be the most uncomfortable position I ever been while working on the caravan. I won't surprise if I stick that shit all over my hair. At least that way I'll prevent any hair loss. Who knows? That might be a good thing. That's it. I'm done. Oh no. Oh crap. That's right. If you wonder how you can remove silicones or any of those sticky things that you usually use on your van or caravan, it's a cleaner for your drum brakes. Yep, that thing saved me quite a lot of time. Fortunately, it's not so effective when used over clothes, but on skin works a perfect job. This is your shit. fucking gun just broke. Of course. Why would I? Not an expert, but I know for sure that it shouldn't be supposed to be like that.
Well, on that terrible disappointment, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week.